So if you want to learn more about how I landed clients for $5,000 only in 3 days, stick around with the video. Welcome to today's video, ladies and gentlemen. As you've read from the title, this video will be about how I landed 3 clients for my social media marketing agency in a total of $5,000 only in 3 days. Alright, let's jump into it. So I've landed 3 clients, each client paying me $1,000 a month. But one of the clients I have a contract for 3 months, so they'll pay me a total of $3,000, and the 2 others, the contract is just monthly, so we go from like month to month. If they want to renew the contract, we'll do that. So basically $5,000 and potentially even more, because usually the clients always renew after a month because I know how to give them results. So maybe even like $10,000 potentially in the end. But the cool thing is I managed to do this only in a matter of 3 days. And yeah, $5,000, it's not that much money, but hey, I bet that when you're at work you're feeling miserable when you're doing $5,000, or maybe you're doing only like $3,000. I don't know. But hey, I can work from whenever I want to. I'm not trying to brag or something. I know $5,000, it's not much, like you can spend $5,000 like that. But I can work from whenever I want, wherever I want, so I can travel. Okay, I have university right now, I can't travel, but I will miss out. But I can work from anywhere, alright? I sit home, this is my home office, and I can work from like whenever I want to. I can wake up whenever I want to. Nobody's telling me, hey, you gotta be at work. No, I'm my own boss. I'm the business owner. I'm the founder. I'm the CEO. All right. So it's pretty cool. Like doing this at this young age while being in college. I think it's cool because a lot of people say, yeah, after college I want to be a consultant. I want to be a business owner. And I'm like, hey, what are you waiting for? I'm a business owner. I'm a consultant, and I'm not even done with college. Because I studied business and administration, and a lot of people that study business want to become business consultants and business owners and stuff. And I'm saying, don't wait. You can do everything you want to now, right? So sorry if I went off topic there. That was just me feeling a bit fired up. Let's dive into how and the more like specifics on how I landed the deals. So the problem with most people, including myself, is that we think that success is something linear. I think you pronounce it like that, alright? Something straight, alright? So as soon as you start working on it, you get it, alright? So as soon as you start selling, as soon as you start cold calling, as soon as you start cold emailing, as soon as you start networking, you get results. That is not true. And that messes up our head, because when we start doing these activities that we think will get us clients or get us money or get us sales, and we don't get the instant result, we feel like we suck. But that's not true. Most of the times we are really good, but we need to let something called the compounding effect of life kick in. Some call it the law of attraction, or you can call it the compounding effect, just like in the stock market. When you put in money in the stock, the money doesn't go up overnight, alright? It doesn't go up on a month. Like, you can put in money in the stock, and for like 2 years it can you can have lost money, but after like the 4th year, then you start reaping the profits. Why? Because it's the compounding effect, alright? 10% isn't the same thing the second, the 3rd year as it was the 1st year. And it's a little bit like law of attraction when we're speaking about sales, because when you're starting to do it, you kind of attract everything in your surrounding and the universe to help you reach your goals. All right. The thing is, you're making small steps, or you're taking small steps each day. All right. And we're so used to, like, the millennials, the people of this generation, the young generation. We're so, we think everything should come really quick, because on social media we see people get results really quick, and most of the time it's not true, alright? gotta take everything in small steps, and as soon as you take some steps, don't think that success will come. Think of the law of attraction, think of the compounding effect. Everything you do will attract the success. It will attract the sales that you're trying to get, but maybe not instantly. The thing is that you take small steps. You make small steps each day that make you come closer to your goals. It doesn't feel like you're coming closer to your goals, but each day the law of attraction, the compounding effect, you're doing more, you're getting more, but you're not seeing it right away. And that is something you need to understand. It doesn't come right away, but suddenly, like all of a sudden, you will be like, oh my God, everything is connecting. Like all the hard work is like, finally I can see it come together. And that is the compounding effect, and that is the law of attraction. And the same thing is with my sales. I got 3 sales, but the sales are not like something that I got instantly, all right? It wasn't like, okay, I said I landed clients, 3 clients on 3 days. That is true. But it wasn't like I cold called or I called clients or I reached out to clients on 3 days and I got everyone. No, it was a byproduct of working hard each day. I made a contact with one of them a few months ago, nothing happened. I was at a networking event with one of them a few weeks ago, nothing happened. I cold called one of the clients that I just signed 6 times until I got a hold of the business owner, and nothing happened. So they are all a byproduct of me that I kept working. So like 2 weeks ago I felt like, okay, I've tried to get clients for like 2 weeks now and I haven't had any luck. So I was like, what should I do? And I was like, man, fuck it. Let's just keep moving forward. Let's just keep trying to get clients. And I set the goal. This was 2 weeks before university, and I said, I want to get a client before university starts in 2 weeks, and I want to finish my book I'm reading. I kept working every day on making sales. Every day I kept working, and I didn't see any results, alright? The day school starts, I'm suddenly sitting in my classroom, and I'm not realizing the fact that I just got emails, like when I send contracts for clients to sign, I send them like over email so they can sign it from their phone. I had sent the contracts the day before school or 2 days before school, and when I'm sitting in class, I get emails, notifications, blah blah blah, client has signed, that client has signed your contract. And I was like, man, I just finished my book this morning on my way to school, and the clients just signed. I just got clients, and I was like, wow. I didn't think those clients would sign me, because I spoke to these clients like a month ago and nothing happened. But the fact that I got the clients was just that I kept working. The law of attraction, the compounding effect. Maybe you spoke to a client like, I don't know, 6 months ago and nothing happened. But you keep working, you keep moving forward, and like all of a sudden the client reaches out to you. And it's like, hey, I need some help. You know why? Because it's the compounding effect of life. It's the law of attraction. The clients I got, it was because of that. I didn't stop. I set another goal. It was scary, but I kept moving forward. And that is the biggest mistakes I see with people. You gotta put your head down. You gotta get your hands dirty and just stop focusing on getting the results now, because they don't come that quick, alright? The clients I got, I had been in touch with them. One of them it was a referral 2 months ago. The other was, I cold called him 6 times. Like, probably most of you guys wouldn't cold call 6 times to the same client, because you would be feeling like, oh, that's really embarrassing. But I did, and the last one was from a networking event like 3 weeks ago, and I was like, yeah, none of these clients will sign me. I don't know why, but it doesn't feel right. But I kept working, and all of those clients signed me, or I signed them. You know why? I will say it again, and I will say it 1,000 times. The compounding effect of life, the law of attraction. You keep working and you get closer to your goal. And now I have my pipeline almost too full. I have some other potential clients coming in, and maybe even more than I can handle, and I'm really blessed to say that. So that is the video for today, guys. I know concepts I've spoken about in this video can be up in the air. You're thinking like, hey, you're stupid, man. What the fuck? What about compounding effect? It's all about trying to get the sales. Yeah, but believe me, the law of attraction exists. The compounding effect of life exists, and I'm a living proof of that, because I signed 3 clients for $5,000 in a matter of 3 days, right? Or I think it even was 2 days, but hey ho, doesn't matter. I feel really good, and I have some more videos coming out. That was everything for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to put on the notification button. You know, you have a bell downstairs just under the subscribe button. Put that on, because whenever I publish a video, you won't miss it. You will get a notification to your phone. And as I said, don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.